There are several factors that affect the price of auto insurance. Of course, prices vary by company, and you should compare prices thoroughly before you purchase a policy. The first thing that affects your policy's price is, of course, what kind of car you drive. For instance, a sports car costs more to insure than a family sedan. If you purchase a vehicle that has a high theft rate, your coverage will probably be more expensive. Essentially, though, your coverage will be based on the value of your car. Another factor that affects auto insurance costs is where you live. If you live in an area where there is a high occurrence of accidents or vandalism, insurance will cost more money. For instance, since more cars are damaged in urban areas than in rural areas, you will probably pay more for insurance if you live in a city. How often you drive will also affect your insurance costs. The more you drive, the higher the chances you will be in an accident. Drivers who have long-distance commutes will pay more than people who live near their workplace. Meanwhile, if you only use your car on weekends, your insurance rates should be lower than someone who commutes to work daily. The final factors that affect the price of auto insurance have to do with who you are. Your age, sex, marital status, and driving record are all taken into account when you buy an insurance policy. Accident rates are higher for drivers under the age of 25, so if you are young, expect to pay a little more. Also, accident rates are higher for young males and single males. It doesn't seem fair, but if you are an unmarried 19-year-old male, your insurance rates will definitely be affected. If your driving record is impeccable, though, your rates will be lower. Obviously, drivers who are prone to traffic violations or accidents will have to pay more for insurance than safe drivers. If these cost factors are beginning to scare you, don't worry. There are several ways to keep your insurance rates down. There are 4 main factors that can keep auto insurance rates down. See if you fall into any of the following categories. If you do, you may be able to save money on your car insurance regardless of the value of your automobile. If you are looking to buy a car, consider buying a car that looks good to insurance companies. For instance, insurance companies know what kinds of cars are prone to problems. They also know what kinds of cars are most often stolen. If you haven't purchased your car yet, find out what cars make this good list among auto insurers. Most insurance companies offer discounts for a variety of reasons. For example, good students, having more than one car insured, and accident-free driving are all worth a discount. Ask insurance companies about specific discounts that may be available to you. Consider carpooling or using public transportation to get to work. The less you use your car, the less your insurance will cost you. Finally, drive carefully. Insurance companies are not happy to insure accident-prone drivers, so the safer you drive, the less you will have to pay for auto insurance. Remember, don't be afraid to ask your insurance company about any discounts they offer. It could save you a little cash.